Hi guys, my name is Rhino, and today I want to take you through my process of doing a big emote order, one of the biggest I've had so far. So it's going to be a speed art, and we're going to go through it today, and hopefully this leads up to more tutorials on how to do different emotes, different types of emotes, and different formats and stuff like that. So stay with me. We're going to go through it all, and we'll have a good time. This is an application that I use to preview all my emotes on light colors, dark colors, light mode, dark mode, and all the badges. So as you can see, they're all here. They all look good. I added like a glow to the background if I haven't said that already. So they pop a little bit on the dark modes because he's such a dark, shadowy figure. And I think they came out pretty good. Just to remind you guys, I stream every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday on Twitch, so you can come see me there and do things live. I also do overlays and whatnot, so it's a good time. It's a good time. Come join me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Coming up will be a video on how to do text, maybe the way that I do text in Clip Studio, and I use Illustrator as well, but you don't have to. But yeah, see you guys.